Hello all and welcome to session 8.2 of Direct Tax 2 4th semester BCom of Mangalore University. Today we are going to solve problems on PCP interest, that is pre-construction period interest, and we have already studied the rules as to what is PCP interest, and in this session we are going to solve two problems and we are going to apply the PCP interest rules in this problem. So let's look at problem number 1. Alexander borrows rupees 3 lakh on 1st of July 2017 at 12% per annum for the construction of a residential house which was completed on 30th of June 2019. That is, construction was completed on 30th June 2019, that is previous year 1920. We need to calculate the amount of interest deductible under section 24 for the previous year 1920. So the loan is borrowed on 1st of July 2017. So 1st of July 2017 would mean interest will be calculated at 9 months for the year 17-18. Then full year's interest for the year 18-19. And in the year 1920, 30th June, the construction is completed. So the year in which the construction is completed, such year's interest will not form a part of PCP interest. Okay, so let us solve this particular problem. Solution. I will record computation of interest deductible under section 24. Computation of interest deductible under section 24. So I'll just prepare one amount column for the calculation of interest. Now if we go through the problem, it's clearly given that the construction was completed on 30th of June 2019. That means in the previous year 1920, the construction is completed. And the interest for the year of construction does not form a part of pre-construction period interest. So I can record it here. I can record interest for the previous year 1920. Interest for the previous year 1920. We are given that the amount borrowed is 3 lakh rupees and the rate of interest is 12%. So 3 lakh into 12% works out to 36,000. This is the interest for the previous year 1920. It does not form a part of pre-construction period interest because the construction is completed in this particular year. Then we talk about pre-construction period interest. Pre-construction period interest. So in simple, I can record that as PCP interest. I can record that as PCP interest. Now what are the points given in the problem? Alexander borrows rupees 3 lakh on 1st of August 2017. So I record over here previous year 17-18. Previous year 17-18. The amount borrowed is 3 lakh rupees. The amount borrowed is 3 lakh rupees. The rate of interest is 12%. 12%. And this loan was borrowed on 1st of August 2017. So 1st of August to 31st of March. So August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So we'll have to leave out the month of April, May, June. So 3 months we will have to leave out, and the interest is for 9 months only. So when I take 9 months, the amount works out to 27,000. It works out to 27,000. So I'll just record 27,000 here in the inner column. Then we have interest for the previous year 18-19. So construction was not completed in this year. So the amount is 3 lakh rupees. and the rate of interest is 12%. So this interest is for full year because entire 18-19 previous year the construction continued. So the amount works out to 36,000. The amount works out to 36,000. And 1920 the construction is completed, so full year's interest is deductible. Now these 2 years interest, 9 months, that is from as far as August 2017 to you can say 31st March 2019. That is in total 21 months, 9 months plus 12 months. So in total 21 months, the total interest works out to 63,000. So this is called as PCP interest. And the rule is very clear. 20% or 1/5 of 63,000 will be written off starting from the year the construction is completed. So we take 20% of 63,000. 20% of 63,000 would work out to 12,600 rupees. 12,600. So either you take 20% of this value or you can take 1/5. It is same, one and the same. So it works out to 12,600 rupees. Therefore, interest deductible under section 24 will be in total 48,600 rupees. 48,600. So this is the total interest deductible including the PCP interest. So pre-construction period interest is interest for the year the house is under construction. The year in which the construction is completed, that year's interest will not form a part of PCP interest. See, it's given very clearly. The house is completed on 30th of June 19. So 30th of June 19 is the previous year 1920. So full year interest, that is on 3 lakh rupees at 12%, that is 36,000 is deductible. That will not form a part of PCP interest. But when it comes to construction period interest, that is from 1st August 17. So 1st August 17 to 31st March 2018. So that is around 9 months. So we leave out the month of April, May and June. Loan is borrowed from 1st of August. So for 9 months, the interest works out to 27,000. Then the construction continues for 18-19. The loan amount is still 3 lakh rupees. There is no mention that a part payment is made. So 3 lakh into 12% is the rate of interest. So it is 36,000. That is the interest for the year 18-19. Though Mr. Alexander is paying, there is no deduction available. So total PCP interest works out to 63,000. This is PCP interest. And the rule is simple. PCP interest will be deductible at 20% or 1/5 of the value starting from the year the construction is completed. That is from the year 1920, 20% of this value or 1/5 of this value will be deductible. So 20% of 63,000 works out to 12,600 rupees. So total interest deductible under section 24 is 48,600. I hope this problem is clear. We will move to the next problem. Natesh borrows rupees 8 lakh on 1st of December 2016 at 10% per annum for the construction of a residential house which was completed on 30th September 2019. He makes an annual payment even for a part of the year. So even if the loan is borrowed in between the year or a few months in a year, he is making an annual payment of 1 lakh rupees. So meaning to say, in this problem we had 3 lakh rupees. Now in this particular problem, the original loan amount is 8 lakh and every year, whether full year or part of the year, you will have the loan amount going on reducing by 1 lakh rupees for each year. So he makes an annual payment even for part of the year of rupees 1 lakh. Calculate the amount of interest deductible under section 24 for the previous year 1920. So I record over here solution. Solution. I record computation of interest deductible under section 24. Interest deductible under section 24. Okay, so I will draw say two amount columns here. Two amount column, just for the sake of calculation I will prepare one extra amount column. Now first I will record PCP interest. First what we are going to do is we are going to calculate say pre-construction period interest. Pre-construction period interest. Now Natesh is borrowing 8 lakh rupees on 1st December 2016. So this is previous year 16-17. Previous year 16-17. The loan amount borrowed is 8 lakh rupees. So 8 lakh into the rate of interest given is 10%. Rate of interest given is 10%. And the loan was borrowed on 1st of December. So 1st December 2016 to 31st March 2017. So it is around 4 months. So I record over here 4 by 12. That will be the amount. So it will work out to say 80,000. 80,000 into 4 by 12. So 80,000 divided by 3. 80,000 divided by 3 will be 26,667. So 80,000 divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 6s are 18. Again 2. Yes. So 0.66 we get. So I will record 26,667. That will be the value of the PCP interest for the year 16-17. Next I record previous year 17-18. The construction continues and each year Natesh is paying 1 lakh rupees. That means out of 8 lakh rupees, 1 lakh has been repaid. So the amount that is due is 7 lakh rupees. Rate of interest is 10%. This is for full year 17-18 full year. So 7 lakh into 10%, the interest would work out to 70,000. 70,000. Next, construction was completed on 30th September 19, which is previous year 19-20. We have another year in between, previous year 18-19. Again 1 lakh rupees annual payment has been done. So this will be 6 lakh rupees into 10%. This is once again for full year. So 10% of 6 lakh rupees is 60,000. 60,000. Next is previous year 19-20. But we know that the construction was completed on 30th September 19. That is in the year 19-20 construction is completed. Interest for 19-20, that is the year in which the construction is completed, will not form a part of PCP interest. So PCP interest works out to total PCP interest. I will just mention over here. PCP interest works out to 1,30,000, 1,50,000, 1,56,667. So 70, 80, 90, 1,50,000, 1,56,667. Now we know the rules. 20% of PCP interest would be included. So 56,667. So this amount, 20% of 1,56,667. 20% or 1/5 you can take. It would work out to say 1,56,667 divided by 5. This would be 3. This would be 1. So this would once again be 3. Again this would be 3. That will be 15. This will be 3. Again 15.4. So 31,000 333.4. So I will take just 31,333. 31,333. So there will be a marginal difference that we will have. So 31,333 will be 20%. So PCP interest only 1/5 or 20% of this value will be considered. Next we take is interest for the previous year 1920. Point to note, the construction is completed, and in which year the construction is completed, entire amount of interest is deductible. Now 6 lakh was the amount, so 1920 starting, the amount due will be only 5 lakh rupees. So 5 lakh, and the rate of interest given is 10%. Rate of interest given is 10%. So 5 lakh into 10% would work out to 50,000 rupees. Would work out to 50,000 rupees. Therefore, interest deductible under section 24, that is for the previous year 1920, because this is the year the construction is completed, and the total amount would work out to 81,333. So some important points. The original amount of loan borrowed is 8 lakh rupees. Loan was borrowed on 1st of December. So interest will be calculated at the given rate 10% only for 4 months. So interest amount works out to 26,667. This is pre-construction period interest. Then we have interest for the year 17-18. Every year or a part of the year, annual payment of 1 lakh is done. So from 8 lakh, the loan amount would remain as 7 lakh. Rate of interest is 10% for full year, works out to 70,000. Again we have previous year 18-19, 1 lakh amount is repaid, annual payment. This works out to 6 lakh. Rate of interest 10%. So this works out to 60,000 rupees. Now in the year 1920, the construction is completed. Whether the construction is completed on the first day of the year, any month in the middle of the year or end of the year, that year's interest, that is where construction is completed, will not form a part of PCP interest. So PCP interest total is 1,56,667. We take 20% as a deduction starting from the year 1920. So 20% of 1,56,667 is 31,333. Then we have interest for the previous year 1920. So last year it was 6 lakh rupees. Again 1 lakh repayment is done. So amount outstanding is only 5 lakh rupees. 10% is the rate of interest for the year 1920. So we take that. So 50,000 is the value. So total interest deductible under section 24 during the previous year 1920 is 81,333. I hope both these problems on pre-construction period interest is clear. Thank you.